guys, so Litre Total Parts Pro today with 2010 Mazda CX-7 stock number 7078. This ran from the 11th 2006 to the 2nd 2012. Is an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed 1-minute transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front car no dents, left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, rear tailgate, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right hand door mirror, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-deck stereo, display cluster, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,